This is example number 27 and our third example for find and replace. Here is our input file. To the right of each input string, I have given an arrow symbol and shown what the string should look like after the replacement is done. The input strings represent time on a clock. The strings follow the format, the hour followed by the minute. Note that there is no AM or PM. The first string is 7:32. We want to capture the hour and minute from this string and then rephrase the string in another way. So for 7:32, the new string should be 32 minutes past 7. Let's move to step 2 now. Here I have tried to represent the input string using regex patterns. Let's start reading from left to right. I have represented the first name using a character class 0 to 9 in square brackets followed by plus. The square brackets indicate a character class for numerals and the plus means one or more occurrences. So 0 to 9 plus means any number with at least one digit. This should be enough to accommodate the hour. I have enclosed this 0 to 9 plus within a set of parentheses. This pattern captures the hour and assigns a particular number to it, \1. If we keep moving from left to right again, next is the colon represented as such. We don't need to capture this because our final transformed string does not use this colon. It only reuses the hour and minute from the original string. For this reason, we do not enclose colon within parentheses. We just write it as such. Let's keep moving again from left to right. The representation for minutes is done in a similar way using the character class and the plus symbol. Again, we enclose it using another pair of parentheses. The orange box represents the first capture. It is our capture number 1. The exact identification is \1. You can see that written in a small white font towards the top of the orange box. We prefix a \escape character so that the 1 is not treated as a literal in our substitution string, which we will be seeing shortly. The green box represents the second capture, capture group number 2. We identify it with \2. Now we have captured 2 patterns in all, group number \1 and group number \2. Let's now move to the final step. Here we come up with a replacement string. The string should be of the format x minutes past y. So we write down this phrase and in place of the hour and minutes, we use the capture groups. So when the replacement engine sees \2, it will go back and see what the capture group number 2 was. It will take the contents of capture group number 2, which was minutes, and put it in the position of \2. Similarly, the \1 is replaced with the contents of the first capture group, which is the hour. So our solution for example number 27 is a set of 2 regex patterns, The first pattern is what we came up with in step 2. The second pattern is our substitution pattern, which we came up with in step 3. Let's try this out now. Let's bring up our Linux terminal. First, let's see our input file. So cat input file name. There you go. Now sed-r and in single quotes s/. We'll type in our search regex pattern for this example. Another /. We'll type in our replacement regex pattern for this example. Another /. G, and then the input file name for this example. There you go. So compare the result here with what you saw in the graphic for this example. Both should match. So that's it for this session. Let's move on to the next one.